Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be walking you through how I achieve a bright and beautiful awake look for my hooded eyes. Because something I struggled with for a long time was how to shape my eyes, because just like me and just like a lot of you guys out there, I do have hooded eyes. It is a very common eye shape, but it is not the easiest to apply eyeshadow to. It can be easy if you do have the right tips and tricks though. So today I'm here to show you how I achieve a nice, full, bright, and awake look for hooded eyes. The very first thing I like to do is prime my eyelid with a base. And you can use any eyeshadow primer of your own liking. Personally, I like to use concealer in lieu of an actual primer. Secondly, you're gonna wanna set your primer or concealer. This combination will eliminate any creasing that may happen and make the eyeshadow apply more smooth and even. Starting off, you're gonna wanna choose 3 eyeshadows. You're gonna want a light, medium, and dark, so just make sure you have those to create this look. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to apply is this nice neutral transition shade. We are going to bring the shade up by blending it just above the crease line. Blending the shade upward will give the illusion of a bigger eye. This is necessary because hooded eyes can have a bit of a droopy look to them, and the goal today is to achieve the opposite of that. Now going on to our second shadow, this one should be a tidbit darker than our transition shade. We are going to be applying this at the outer V of our eye to give the eyes a wider look to them. We're going to achieve an overall bigger eye by blending this a smidge higher than the transition shade and make sure the 2 shades are blended evenly. Your third shade should be a bright shade. Today I'm going to be using a neutral metallic to add a little bit more of an emphasis on my inner corner. This shade is going to be applied at the inner corner of our eyes, but I'm making sure not to bring it up too high. I want this lighter shade to be a highlight to my natural lid shade to give a brighter and fuller look. And of course, make sure everything is blended evenly so there are no harsh lines. Something I always like to do is add a touch of highlight toward the peak of my brow and inner eye, just to lift the eye shape a little bit more to complete this look. And that's the finished look. We have nice, beautiful, bright, and open eyes. So here is the final eye look. I hope that broke everything down for you guys, for anyone out there who had questions on how to shape your eyes for hooded eyes. And of course, add your own personal touches to it. If you don't want to go with more of a neutral look, add pops of colors if you wanted to. Have fun with it. Put on some eyeliner, put on some false lashes. Today, I just kept it simple by putting a simple coat of mascara on. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.